Here we are at Milwaukee Serb Fest to see how Balkan you really are by asking 15 questions that you should probably know.
How drunk are we?
But you'll know the answers, I promise. According to Zvezde Sakic, how many meters are there from here to heaven?
I don't know.
Do you know any of his songs?
No.
10.
Infinity.
9,000.
That's right.
That's
Right. That's right.
David Hijada, I was gonna say that.
So you play with balls in baseball, basketball, and soccer. What kind of balls does Djokovic slap around?
Tennis balls.
That's right.
Tennis balls.
That's correct. All right, so fill in the blank.
Rodio.
Sreće nisam imao. Samo ti si.
Moja bila.
Oh, yeah, od kad sam se rodio. Boy, you could help me.
Solve this riddle. I'm red hot but spicy when you want me to be. You can loosen me up and spread me any way you like. What am I?
Paprika. Oh my god. I said paprika. I said paprika.
Butter. Close.
Hot sauce?
Ivan.
Ivan.
You have $20 and 6 people to feed. What Balkan dish are you making?
How much are cevapi?
I can feed 6 people.
Kebabs. Fast food.
Pizza?
I'll accept it. So you're at a store and you hear someone speak your language. What do?
Jesse, brate.
I go up to them and I say zdravo. Like I walk over there and look who it is. No, you just want to let them know that you're Serbian too.
Run.
My mama walks away every time.
What is the difference between on sedi and on sedi?
One is getting old, one's turning gray.
Sandy is like to rinse out, right?
Siedi, not sedi.
Once he's sitting, and the other one, I don't know. He's like turning gray.
That is correct.
Going bald.
Oh, I mean, he's sitting and he's sitting.
One sedi, you're sitting there. One sedi, you're getting older, gray hair.
Right, correct. So when they say noćni program, what do they really mean?
Palma posle
Palma
12.
posle 2.
Late night show.
It is a type of late night show, but let's leave it at that. I don't want to get hit. Tip of your tongue. Pink? Oh. It's another P word.
It's like people singing. I don't know this one.
I mean, they're making noises.
What is that, like adult videos or something?
Yeah, yes. Well, the answer is porn. All right, so name one thing Balkan parents brag about to other parents when it comes to their kids.
Moj mali završio školu. My kids are awesome in sports.
How smart they are. How pretty they are.
How do you say McDonald's in Serblish?
McDonald's.
McDonald's.
That's right.
How does your mom say McDonald's?
McDonald's.
That is correct, sir, yes.
McDonald's.
That's correct. Partizan and Crvena Zvezda are 2 Serbian soccer teams. Name all 6 judges of Zvezde Granda.
Oh, I don't even know one. Ata Lucas. Ceca.
No.
No, it's that guy that looks gay. What's his name again?
Milan Stankovic.
There we go.
Wrong show.
Help me. Do you not watch Zvezde Granda?
No, I don't.
Bosanac, Jelena Krauša, Marija Šerifović, Aca Lukas, Viki Mirković, whatever.
One more. It's another Babetina.
Oh, Ana Nikolić. Ana, kako se zove Bote? Ana Bekuta.
Yes.
Aca Lukas, Jelena Krauša, onaj Bosanac, Marija Šerifović i
Viki.
One more.
Ana Bekuta.
That's right, correct. Is it Jala Brat or Jala Brat?
I don't even know what it is.
Well, it's a rapper, sir.
What?
It's a rapper.
Jala, brate.
He says Jala or Yala, but I call it Yala.
I say Jala too.
I say Jala, brat.
I say Alabama.
If you talk back to your parents, what happens?
Batine.
That's right.
You get the look.
What do they usually do after they give you a look?
I didn't do anything. Hit you? I don't know.
Yeah, they whoop your ass.
I get slapped.
Batine, man. I don't know.
You get the kaish.
Right.
You get spanking batine.
Your sister ends up having twins. What is your sister's grandma to those kids?
In trouble.
Isn't that your great grandma?
That's right. my sister, grandma's his kids. Tetka. I don't know. That's right.
They're prababa.
All right, so if you see someone wearing a brand name shirt that is misspelled, it is safe to assume they got it from where?
Kod one kineske, znaš.
Chinese people.
Kod Kineza.
That's right. Yes, both double points right here. They got both of them right.
Pijaca, market.
That is correct. Thank you for playing.
Keep posted on upcoming videos by subscribing to my channel down here. Follow me on Snapchat and Instagram at surgeon_general and Facebook and Twitter at surgeongeneral.